Hey guys, today I have a review for you guys on some jewelry. This is called Silviax personalized jewelry, and they are personalized items. So they sent me two necklaces. One of them I actually have on, so I'm going to show you guys. It's so cute. It's actually my name, so it says Meli, and if I'm not mistaken, it's called Old Gothic, and I will put all the information and the link to it down below. But these are so cute. You can get personalized anything you want it to say, whether it be your name, a loved one, or just like a phrase Latina or whatever it is. You can get them done, and they do have different links of the necklace size as well. I think this is the 18-inch if I'm not mistaken. I will put it around here, and they are super affordable as well. So this one is the first piece. Very, very cute. I know that I will use the crap out of this, especially here on my channel, because I go by Meli a lot, which is my nickname instead of Melissa. And is that not so cute? And they do have available like different pieces in rose gold, gold, and silver, stainless steel, sterling silver. So you have that option available depending on what kind of material you want. So they do come in these little cute little white boxes like this, and they come on this little black like foam here. So I thought that that was really nice, and all of them come with their little cleansing, so you can actually like cleanse them and keep them nice and clean with a little wipe. So the next piece that I'm going to show you guys is my favorite. This is what it looks like when it arrives to you, and this one is silver, and it has little baby feet on there. I'm going to try to put a close-up picture here so you guys can see like really the details on there, but hopefully you guys will see it here. So the little feet actually have his birthstone. He was born in August, and it has his name on one side on one foot, and then the other side has like his actual birth date. I feel like this is such a good gift for like a new mom, a birthday gift, even like for Mother's Days especially. Oh my god, it's so cute. I just fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. Just super adorable, and just something that you can always like wear and like carry around to like remind yourself about your babies, and it's just so cute. And they also have available like different ones with various children's names or different birthstones for each child. So I thought that that was super cute. So definitely I will link them down below if you guys are interested in picking up any of their jewelry pieces. I will let you guys know as I wear them if anything happens as far as them, you know, tarnishing or anything like that, but they do seem to be very good quality, and I just absolutely just love it. It's just so cute. And back when I was younger, this used to be in trend, and I feel like this trend of wearing your name personalized and everything has come back into trend. So this is a good time to go pick one up, and the holidays are around the corner too, so if you're interested in that. Like always, I do have my social media and any information extra down below. You can follow me there. You can also subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.